So this is their variable ND filters. Good to for our mobile phones. So 52mm yung size na meron ako dito. Ang maganda sa variable ND filter is hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng iba't ibang klase ng filter like ND8, 32. So hindi mo na kailangan mamili doon. All you have to bring is this one ND filter. All you have to do is you will just clip it. Pero I suggest ganyang position. Maganda to gamitin for cinematic shots kung gusto nyo na mag-lock yung specific na shutter speed nyo. For example, gusto nyo gawin yung 180 degree rule. Kung 30 fps, gagawin yung 1/60 yung shutter speed. Kung 24 fps, 1/48. Hindi nyo yan magagawa sa default or native camera app. You will have to download Open Camera if you're using Android device and Blackmagic Camera kung naka-iOS kayo. So, recommended to gamitin lalo na if you're shooting videos na nasa bright area. Kasi ang tendency, kapag wala tayong ND filters, automatic na nag-adjust yung shutter speed natin and also yung ISO kung gamit natin yung native camera app. Hindi natin ma-achieve yung mga natural na motion blur. So, pag sinabing natural motion blur, kapag minove mo yan ng ganyan, so normally may motion blur ka na nakikita. So, yun yung ina-achieve natin. By the help of this variable ND filter, ma-achieve natin yung mga ganong cinematic shots. If you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.